While researching the website, we found two case studies that touched on adverse drug events. The first one is called an insulin overdose, and in the study, a sleep-deprived anesthesiologist administers 10 times the amount of insulin to a 78-year-old compromised patient undergoing an emergency operation. Fatigue, the initial condition of the patient, and confusing medication packaging all contributed to this particular adverse event. For future studies, IHI recommends revisiting communication practices, changing the packaging for medications in the OR, and advising the attendant to be more vigilant with fatigued team members. The second case study was called Misread Labels, and in this study, an infant was born with sluggish breathing and was given the wrong medication instead of the right one and ended up dying from toxicity. The drugs made by the same manufacturer have labels that look very similar, which cause confusion when administering the drug to the infant. IHI recommends reviewing the way medications that sound alike and look alike are stored. In conclusion, the Institute for Healthcare Improvement is a not-for-profit organization leading the improvement of healthcare throughout the world. IHI helps accelerate change by cultivating promising concepts for improving patient care and turning those ideas into action. IHI's goal is to diversify healthcare systems by aiming to remove waste, harm, and variation, and working hard with them to prioritize the most impactful interventions and methods. Thank you.